exponents on whole numbers. So this is kind of what it looks like. When we talk about exponents, right, we have a base number, and then we have an exponent number. And so the base number is the number that's going to be multiplied by itself. And it's the exponent tells you how many copies you have. So in this example above, we have the base number of 3. This 3 actually tells us that we have 3 copies of 3 that we need to multiply together. So it looks like this when we expand it out. So it's 3 times 3 times 3. And then the product, right, this is what it looks like when you actually do multiply it all out. And we can see how this looks here by the visual of what 3 to the third power looks like when it's, right, like with all the blocks. So there's 27 blocks there. So really, when we talk about exponents, it's just to say that it's repeated multiplication. And so let's look at some examples here. So example 1, we're going to solve for the following. We have 4 squared, right? So 4 is our base number. 2 is our exponent, which tells us how many copies of 4 we have. So we have 4 times 4. And so when we go ahead and multiply that out, 4 times 4, right, is 16. So let's look at another example. So example 2, we have 6 raised to the 4th power. Well, 6 is our base number, so it tells us that's what we're going to be multiplying by, but 4 tells us how many copies of 6 we have. So we have 4. So we have 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So when we go ahead and multiply this out, what I might do is go like this. So go 6 times 6, well that's 36, and then 6 times 6 is 36. So then I would go ahead and multiply 36 now times 36 to find the product. So it makes it a little bit easier. Or this is how I would go about it. You are welcome to keep going, 36 and then times 6, find that product, then to multiply it by 6. So now let's go ahead and actually flip it. So it's like this. So we have 36 times 36. We're going to go like this. It's a little bit easier to see. So 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to carry that 3. 6 times 3 is 18 plus the 3 is 21. We go ahead and do that placeholder for 0 there. And we keep multiplying this 3. Now 3 times 6. Well, that's 18. So we put an 8 below. Carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus the 1 is 10. Now we can go ahead and add. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2. And then 1. So what's our product to this whole thing? 1,296. Right, so that's what that is equal to. And that's our answer. So now let's do one more example. So example 3. We're going to solve for the following. We have 7 to the 3rd power. Well, 7's our base number, so we're going to have 3 copies of 7. Now 7 times 7 is 49. So I'm going to take this product, go 49 here, and then times 7. And then I'm going to do it right here. Well, 9 times 7 is 63. So we put a 3 below, carry the 6. 4 times 7 is 28, plus the 6 is 34. So we get 343.